Hey guys, so I decided to film this video right before I leave, but I wanted to film this just to show you guys exactly the hair and makeup that I usually will wear during Mrs. Delaware events and things like that. So I did this. It's pretty simple. It's actually really quick considering, well, if you're just starting, it's going to take you about 45 minutes. But for me, it took me a little bit, like half an hour, I want to say. It didn't take too long. So this is just my quick go-to makeup look. I usually like to keep it all matte, just something that's neutral and a lot of bronze. I absolutely love this new bronzer that I got from Laura Mercier. And it is called Indiscretion, and it's called a face illuminator, but to me, I feel like it's bronzed me up. It is just so beautiful. This is the color right here, so you guys can see, and it's like that golden glow it will give you. And then also, I decided to try out, because they just sent it to me, Morphe sent me a new palette, and let me make sure I have the correct name. It is Brunch Babe, so cute. So these are the colors. They're kind of warm. They're more towards what I would choose, that warm neutral shade, but then they do have pops of pink in there. Also, one last thing, if you haven't tried this before, this is the all-nighter from Urban Decay. Obsessed with it. It locks in your makeup. I can literally wake up like this the next day and look the same exact way if I don't wash my makeup off. But yeah, if you guys like this or want to see more makeup tutorials, make sure to give this a thumbs up. Let me know. And of course, if you're interested in seeing what I did with this look, then definitely keep on watching. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye!